Okay guys, so today I'm going to be trying my hand at plucking my closure. Now this is the first time I'm going to be doing this, so you guys, take it easy on me. I don't know how this is gonna come out, to tell you the truth, but I wanted to film my experience and just show you guys what the end result is going to be. So as you guys can see, my closure did come with baby hairs and it's also pre-plucked, but you can definitely see that demarcation line right there, and that's the line that I want to get rid of. Typically I don't pluck my closures. I would just cut the lace off, part it, because I have baby hairs and I'll just use my own baby hairs, or I'll just kind of make baby hairs with what's there and I just kind of finesse it a little. A lot of my clients have been asking me to pluck their closures. I've always kind of shy away from it and just turn it down. I really want to get into it because that's the way the business is moving, so you have to kind of just adapt and just make that change. So that's what I'm going to be trying out. This is not a client's wig, this is going to be my wig, so I'm trying it out on myself first and see how I do. Depending on how this goes, then I'll decide if I'm going to take requests from clients to pluck their closures. The first thing you're going to need is your tweezer. This one is a slanted tweezer. I just have this one on deck, so this is the one I'm using. So I'm going to use the pointed part to do the plucking, and then you're going to need a comb. I'm just using my tail comb so that I can comb out the excess plucking here. And then I have a water bottle. I'm going to wet the hair first before I start plucking. Hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for me to pluck. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and wet my closure and comb through so I can see. Getting my tweezer, and I'm taking my time, and I'm trying not to stay in one spot. Hair I got in the first plucking, so it didn't seem like I was pulling a lot of hair, but I actually did. Then I'm gonna part away because I don't want to have any bald spots and I don't want to pull too much hair. Again, I'm gonna wet it with some more water. Every time I part, I'm gonna wet. I move through that part 3 times, and this is what I got from the second plucking. So I'm just checking. You don't want to over pluck, so you just want to check to see how everything is looking, and that's what we have so far. So you can see the difference. So I am going to pull a few hairs from the front, not a lot, just so I don't have that straight line right there. I'm gonna spray it. And this is the hair. That's what it's looking like so far. So now I'm actually going to pluck this side, but I'm plucking it down. You guys saw that I didn't stay in one spot. I just kept moving my hands, and that's the hair that I plucked out. So it's slowly coming along. So I'm just gonna keep plucking until I get my desired look. Now I'm gonna pluck the back part right here because I've already plucked this side, and I'm not staying right at the edge. I'm going in between the hairs. So the reason I'm showing you guys the amount of hair that I'm pulling out is just to show you that I'm not pulling a lot of hair at once. What I'm doing now, guys, I'm just going in one more time, and this time I'm not going to go straight down. I'm just going to go zigzag, make sure that there's no demarcation line, and I'm always wetting the hair. So I'm just going this direction. So that's how everything is looking. I don't think I want to pluck any more than this. So this is where we started from, guys, and this is what we end up with. I think it looks really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start plucking this side here. First thing, want to make sure we wet the hair. I'm going behind the hairline first, and I'm making sure that I'm not stuck at one particular part, and I'm going all the way back into the hair. And as you pluck, you just pick up more stuff. So as you pluck, it gets a little bit easier, and you find what is comfortable for you. More I'm combing the hair, I'm just looking at it and see where I need to pluck a little bit more, or if I just need to just leave it as it is, because I'm kind of thinking that I kind of over plucked a little bit. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Constructive criticism is always welcome here on my channel. I want you guys to feel free to express yourself, but please, guys, no rude comments, please. I'm going to just delete them, so, you know, just save your fingers that trip. But if you guys enjoyed, or you learned something, or you have something constructive to say, then go ahead and leave it in the comment section. As I said, this was my first time really plucking a closure, and this is my closure. So, you know, I'm just plucking it to my suit. Okay, guys, so that's the end of my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. And if you did, go ahead and thumbs up the video and share it with your friends and family. And if you're not already subscribed to the fam, then what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. That would mean so much to me, and it does help me out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.